Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app and now let's tap on this 3 bars icon. Here we've got the size, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the movie section and we've got 3 options to choose from. Now we've got full HD option applied, because you can say it because it is highlighted, but you can also choose 2 another ones. So I think I will pick HD, so simply tap on it. As you can see it is now highlighted, so it means that we've just successfully changed the video resolution, and from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. So actually, let's tap on OK, and that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.